Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website with GoDaddy. First, choose a template that aligns with your brand or business. GoDaddy offers many options, so take your time to find one that truly resonates. Next, customize the layout, colors, and fonts to match your unique style. You can easily drag and drop elements to arrange your content. Remember to add essential pages, like an About Us and Contact section, to provide key information to your visitors. Once your basic structure is set, focus on creating compelling content. Write clear, concise text that speaks directly to your audience and highlights your offerings. Integrate relevant keywords naturally throughout your pages to improve your search engine ranking. Also, optimize all your images by compressing them to ensure faster loading times, which is crucial for a good user experience and SEO. A well-organized site with quality content will attract more visitors. Before making your website live, thoroughly review every page for accuracy, grammar, and functionality. Ensure all links work correctly and images display as intended. Once you are satisfied, connect your custom domain name to give your site a professional identity. After publishing, remember that website maintenance is ongoing. Regularly update your content, check for broken links, and ensure all features are working smoothly to keep your audience engaged. To expand your reach, consider integrating e-commerce features if you plan to sell products online. GoDaddy provides tools to set up an online store, manage inventory, and process payments securely. Also, leverage their built-in marketing tools to promote your site through email campaigns and social media. Don't forget to check the description for links to these tools and other great deals, including some fantastic socks. Regularly review your website's performance using analytics to make informed improvements and keep your content fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.